Endless and lengthy cable spaghetti can be a huge headache, right? Scandinavian Hub Underdesk Cable Tray takes care of the mess. Look how easy and simple. Small kids and fuzzy family members shuffling under the table and even pulling the cables. Even vacuuming between the cables is stressful. And the only desire is to put the cables away safely organized. Well, check it out. The installation is made very easy. Just peel off the red protective paper from the double-sided tape. Then simply attach the cable trays to the desk. This set comes with premium cable straps to help organize the cables even better. Microventilation channels on the tray maximize the airflow to keep the cables cool. Scandinavian Hub Underdesk Cable Tray is specifically designed to create safe space for every need. The struggle ends now. Grab it here.